This is the Erowa compatible ER-093758 Uniblank EWIS brass holder. Your go-to solution for consistent electrode height and precision in EDM applications. It's designed to eliminate setup headaches and save time on the shop floor, all while ensuring stability and versatility. Precision setups are often disrupted by inconsistent electrode heights and complex installations. This holder eliminates those problems by keeping the finished electrode height constant, making it easier for you to focus on the task at hand, not the setup. Made from durable brass, with a gripper slot and code carrier pocket. It's assembled on an Erowa ITS system plate and ready to use immediately. Plus, no need for a sealing plate, it's already optimized for performance and efficiency. Switching between tools, no problem. This holder fits seamlessly into different setups, ensuring your workflow is uninterrupted. It's perfect for drilling, cutting, and finishing, all while keeping precision locked in.